Hey everyone, this is Ahmad and welcome to CodeBooks Academy. So far we've built smart agents that can plan, retrieve, and summarize. But what if your AI could actually do things like send emails, create reports, update your CRM, or trigger actions in Slack? That's where n8n comes in, a powerful open source automation platform that lets your AI agents interact with the real world. Imagine this flow. The user asks for a report. The planner and researcher handle the heavy lifting using LangChain and LangGraph. Then, the summarizer finishes the draft and sends it to an n8n webhook. From there, n8n creates a PDF, emails it to the client, logs it in Notion, and notifies the team in Slack, all automatically. Here's how it works technically. You expose an n8n webhook URL that listens for incoming requests. Your agent, built in LangChain or LangGraph, sends a JSON payload to that webhook. The payload can include things like text, files, metadata, or commands. Inside n8n, you build a workflow to handle that payload, integrating with over 300 tools like Google Sheets, Airtable, Discord, or Stripe. This combo, LangChain for thinking and n8n for acting, is how you move from intelligence to execution. It's like giving your AI arms and legs. You can even make the reverse happen. n8n triggers a LangChain agent whenever an event occurs. For example, when a new row is added to Google Sheets, run the analyst agent, post summary to Slack. Want to schedule reports, respond to tickets, handle automation across business units? This is your infrastructure. In the next video, we'll go deeper into how you can give each agent a specialized role with unique personalities, data access, and goals. Stick around, your AI team is about to get a lot more organized.